All right, so the big news that's coming in, let's begin first with Maharashtra because that's where the polling days finally arrived. Kasakai, Mumbai, because it's going to be the crucial voting day, 288 seats, 4,000 candidates, in fact, specifically 4,136. It's D-Day. Mahavikas Aghadi has been fighting for what it says literally is a fight for their relevance. For Mahayuti, it's about the fight for survival because they need to prove they are the real faction. So there are Sena Pawars, all of that and more. Look at that. Looks like early morning, many of these leaders have started to arrive. We're looking at different visuals. Some of them first paying a visit to temple premises. Am I looking at Mohan Bhagwat early this morning? One of the first to vote. That's setting a good benchmark. Remember, it's 7 a.m. The voting has just started and the inked finger being shown by Mohan Bhagwat. So that's going to be important. Remember, it looks like the BJP, RSS are already out in the full force to show that they have been there. They are ensuring that they want to be seen early this morning. So that was the RSS chief, Mohan Bhagwat. We'll try and get more clarity on where these visuals are coming in from. But remember, this has been, and this is important because for RSS, Nagpur specifically, where its headquarters have been, where the stronghold has been, that's where the visual has come in. So Mohan Bhagwat, it's just, the clock has struck 7 a.m. and the RSS chief, the first, early this morning, looks like he's about to speak. Let's try and also dip in. This is the visual coming in from Nagpur. On the other hand, Shaila NC there. Ajit Pawar also, so another Mahayuti leader. Ajit Pawar coming in to cast the vote. Where are the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders? This is, remember, as much about political public posturing to be the early birds when it comes to voting. 288 seats. All right, mics are being set up for the RSS chief in Nagpur. There is Shaila NC from the BJP. She looks like was at one of the temple premises. Heightened activity, and that's the fun about election day. Because till counting, or the counting day, you cannot do much. But a lot of posturing comes in on the election voting day to show that they are on and about. Let's listen into Mohan Bhagwat.
और नागरिक कर्तव्यों को प्रत्येक नागरिक ने करना चाहिए। इसलिए जहाँ जब मेरा मतदान है, मैं वहाँ जाके पहले वो काम कर लेता हूँ दिन में, बाकी सब काम बाद में करता हूँ। अभी मैं बहुत दूर था, उत्तरांचल में था। एक दिन मेरे कार्यक्रम का कम करके केवल इसके लिए मैं कल रात को आया हूँ और आज चला जाऊंगा। तो मतदान ये कर्तव्य है, मतदाताओं ने मत देना चाहिए। ये मैं बोलता हूं तो मुझे करना है।
पिछले कुछ सालों में राजनीति का जो स्तर है वो गिरा है, इस वजह से लोग मतदान कम कर रहे हैं।
ये आज के दिन नहीं पूछना, बाद में।
बिटकॉइन के रिलेटेड
एक मिनिट मतदान करणे हे मतदारांचं कर्तव्य आहे आणि म्हणून जेव्हा जिथे माझं मतदान असेल, म्हणजे एकाच ठिकाणी आहे इथेच, तेव्हा मी सकाळी पहिल्यांदा हे काम करतो आणि नंतर सगळी कामं करतो। आता मी दुसरीकडे होतो, उत्तरांचलमध्ये होतो, पण एक दिवस प्रवासाचा कमी करून केवळ एवढ्याकरता मी आलो आणि आज जाणार।
लोगों से क्या आह्वान करेंगे मतदान को लेकर?
वही वो हमेशा करता हूं मैं, 100% मतदान करना और मुद्दों पर मतदान करो।
क्या चाहती है?
अपने अपने लोग सोचते हैं। ये अभी आज मत पूछो, अभी आज का दिन इसके बारे में हमको चुप रहना है सबको।
लेकिन मुद्दों की बात करके आपने रोक दिया। मुद्दे क्या?
मुद्दे पहले बताए हैं।
There is RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat saying, "Pehle matdan, phir jalpan."